Welcome back online classes for 5th class. You know about this number system in 4th class. Now once we recollect that in number system we have two types of systems. One is Indian system of numeration. This is also called Hindu-Arabic system. Second one is international system of numeration. First, today we will discuss Indian system of numeration. Here, once you observe here, ones, thousands, lakhs, crores, these are called periods. So once again, ones, thousands, lakhs, crores, these are called periods. Next, here ones means we have ones, tens, hundreds. Ones place ones means ones, tens, hundreds. Next, thousands. In thousands place we have thousands, 10,000s. Next, lakhs. In lakhs period we have lakhs, 10 lakhs. In crores period we have crores, 10 crores. So these are a table of number system for Indian system of numeration. So here ones means we get only one digit number. Tens means 2 digit numbers. Hundreds means 3 digit numbers. Thousands means 4 digit numbers. 10,000s means 5 digit numbers. 5 digit numbers. Next, lakhs. We have total 6 digits. 10 lakhs 7 digits. Crores 8 digits. 10 crores 9 digit numbers. So these are the Indian system of numeration. So in ones means we get 1, tens means 10, hundreds means 100, thousands means 1000, 10,000 means 10,000s, lakh means lakh. This one it is also called 100,000s. Next, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. So it is the chart, place value chart of Indian system of numeration. Yes, let us move on examples. See here, it is one large number. Actually, we don't know what is that number. Now, we will, by using Indian system of place values, we can separate this by using commas. See once here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Now, see ones, tens, hundreds. In Indian system, we can separate any number first hundreds place, up to hundreds place. Next, two digits we can separate the commas. Now, this number is read as 25,460. What? 25,460. So here ones, tens, hundreds. We can keep the comma. Next, thousands, 10,000s. Now we can write it as a number name. That is, see here, 25,460. 25,460. It is a number name of the given digits. Next, coming to second example, So it is one more large number. Now it is also we can separate it by commas. What I said in three now, last three digits, I mean ones, tens, hundreds, we keep one comma. Next, thousands, 10,000s, we can keep another comma here. Every number separated by commas. So once again I will write here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, it is lakh. So now I can write this as a number name. That is, first once we will read this, lakhs position is in 3. So that means 3,75,729. 3,75,729. Now I will write here in words 3,75,000. 75,700. Yes. So 3,75,729. These are now for any number, any large number, we can dividing by using Indian place value chart by separating the commas. Okay, students? Yes. Once again we will discuss this. It is one given number. Now these number we can separate it by commas by using Indian place value chart. So here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. That means we can write written as 25,460. Next, second example, we write one number here. It is also separated by commas. Same place value we can use, Indian system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. That means 3,75,729. 3,75,729. So like this we can separate any large number they given. We can separate easily by using Indian place value chart. Okay, students? Okay, now students, let us discuss how to arrange numbers in ascending or descending order. So now we will discuss one problem here. So it is the given problem is 7. It is read as ones. We have to once check here ones, tens, hundreds. Here also ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Next ones, tens, hundreds. Now it is 759. Here 265. See here thousands. So we can simply we can keep the comma here. 3,756. Next 204. So these are given numbers. So how to arrange in ascending order first? What is mean by ascending order? Ascending order means we can arrange smallest number to biggest number. Ascending order means we can arrange the given numbers into smallest number to biggest number. So here once observe here 759, 265, 3756, next 204. So once you write the solution here, in these four numbers what the first number will come? Yes, the first number is here 204. 204, it is the first place, it is the smallest number. Next some big number is 204, after it will come 265. 265, yes. Next here also one hundreds place number is there, that is 759. Next the biggest number is, observe here once students, these are all in hundreds place numbers, only hundreds, but the remaining number it is in thousands, that means 3756. These are it is the process for ascending order. We can arrange small number to biggest number. Same numbers we can take. It is ascending order. Now descending order. Yes, descending order means we can arrange the numbers biggest to smallest. We can arrange the numbers big number to smallest number. So here simply for this problem only we can take the biggest number is 3756, next 759, next 265, the last one is 204. It is the process for descending order. So descending order means what students? Biggest number to smallest number. We can arrange the numbers biggest to smallest. That is the process of descending order. So here 3756 is the biggest number, next smallest 759, after smallest 265, next smallest is 204. So it is the process for ascending order and descending order. It is the process for ascending and descending order. So now students, let us move another example for ascending and descending orders. Yes. Yes. See here, they given four numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, first of all, before arranging ascending order, we can separate each digit. Now, see here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So, ones, tens, hundreds, we can keep the comma here. So, it is 39,650. Next, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So, ones, tens, hundreds. Now, it is 36,592. Next, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. Ones, tens, I already said to you, first 3 digits we can keep the commas from ones place, ones, tens, hundreds. Next, every 2 digits, that means here. Now it is 1,45,670. Next, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. It is 2,456. So the first number is here 39,650. Next, 36,592. Next, 1,45,670. Next, 2,456. Yes, now first we arrange the numbers in ascending order. Solution, ascending order. Yes, I already said to you children, ascending order means smallest number to biggest number. So once observe here, the period place is here 10,000s. Next, here also 10,000s, here lakhs, here thousands. So first we will write in these 4 numbers, what is the biggest? Yes, 1 lakh, sorry, smallest number is 2,456. Why means that is only up to thousands place only. Remaining these number in 10,000s position, it is also 10,000s, it is lakhs position. So first we can write 2,456, it is the smallest number. Next smallest is, once observe here, in 10,000s place it is 39, here 36. So comparing with 36, 39, which one is smallest? Yes, 36,000. So next we can write 36,592. Next, 39,650. Yes, these are the smallest. Next big number, remaining number is 1,45,670. That is the biggest number. So ascending order means smallest to biggest number. Yes. Once again listen students. 2,456, 36,592, 39,650, 1,45,670. Next, descending order. Once we will write the ascending order, the given numbers, descending order is very easy to write. That means last to first. That means simply we can write a reverse order. Okay students? Yes. What is the last number here? 1,45,670. Next, 39,650. Next, 36,592. Next, 2,456. So it is the descending order, biggest to smallest. The big number is 1,45,670, 39,650, 36,592, 2,456. It is the process of ascending and descending order. Are you understood students? You know how to arrange the numbers. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Descending order means biggest to smallest. These are the process for ascending and descending order for given numbers. Whatever they given, lords or largest, no problem. We can use Indian system. Okay, Indian place value chart. We can easily separated by commas. For Indian place value chart, first last 3 digits, next every 2 digits we can separated the commas. Okay students? So, yes, now students, next we will going to discuss how to expand a number, how to expand a large number. So here, see, first so the given number here like this. So first we can separate the Indian place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So here how to expand this number? So see here, first 3, the digit 3 is in 10,000s place. The digit 3 is in 10,000s place. So we will write 3 into 10,000s. 3 into 10,000 plus the digit 2 in thousands place. 2 into 1000 plus the digit 4 in hundreds place. That means 4 into 100. Next, the digit 5 is in tens place. 5 into 10. Next, 6. The digit 6 is in ones place. Okay students, see here, it is the process for expanded any number, whatever they given, smallest or biggest, whatever, we can use the process like this. First we can separate the given number as by using Indian place value chart, like ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Now how to expand this number? So the first digit is 3. The digit 3 is in 10,000s place. So that means we can write 3 into 10,000. Next digit 2. The digit 2 is in thousands place. That means 2 into 1000 plus 4. 4 is in hundreds place. 4 into 100 plus 5 is in tens place. That means 5 into 10 plus 6 is in ones place. 6 into 1. Now next, the next step is we will multiply these. 3 into 10,000s. How much? 30,000s. 3 into 10,000 means 30,000s plus 2 into 10,000, 2 into thousands. So 2 into 1000 means 2000 plus 4 into 100, 400 plus 5 into 10, 50. 5 tens are 50 plus 6 ones are 6. Yes. 3 into 10,000s means 30,000s plus 2 into 1000, 2000 plus 4 into 100, 400 plus 5 into 10, 50 plus 6 into 1 means 6. The total number is here, see here, 32,456. 32,456. It is the process for expanded form of a given number. Are you understood students? Yes. See here, the given number is like this. First, we can separate the every digit by using Indian place value chart. That means first ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Now we can expand each number. 3 is in position 10,000s. That means 3 into 10,000 plus 2 is in place of thousands. So 2 into 1000 plus 4. The digit 4 is in place of hundreds. So 4 into 100 plus the digit 5. 5 is in tens place. So 5 into 10 plus the digit 6 is in ones place. That means 6 into 1. 3 into 10,000 means 30,000 plus 2,000 plus 4 into 100 400 plus 5 into 10 50 plus 6 into 1 6. The total given number is 32,456. It is the process for expanded form of a given number. Okay. For any numbers, whatever they given, we can use these process. We can separate it by every digit by using their place values. Okay, children. Okay, students. In today's class, what we discussed, we have to practice that. Then we will meet tomorrow next class. Okay, children. Bye.